Imagine that you wake up tomorrow morning. Nothing really changed in your life. You see the same house, the same job, the same bank account, everything almost the same. However, it feels different. Why? Because your attention changed. And you know, where attention goes, their energy flows. And their energy flows and grows in your life. So welcome to chapter 7 of this fantastic book, The Science of Getting Rich. The chapter 7 is about gratitude, which is, in my meaning, the hidden force behind all wealth, behind all success in life. You know, maybe you are one of these people who believe that gratitude is something we should feel when we receive something from life. You get promotion, then you feel grateful. You meet a beautiful partner, you feel grateful. You achieve your goal, you feel grateful. But you know, in this book, Wallace Waters, in chapter 7, tells us something different. Something that I, during my journey in life, experienced many times over and over again. And when I'm studying successful people's life, it confirms my opinion. And all successful people I met, all my mentors, you know, they all agreed that what Wallace Waters says here, that success is actually not a result of something. Success, in the most sophisticated way, is filled in advance, before you get something. It changes everything, but it starts in order to learn to apply the feeling of success in a conscious way. It's the easiest way is to start to feel success for something that you already achieved. But let me ask you a question. Have you ever met people who always focus on something was missing in their life? What's wrong? They focus wrong. They focus what's unfair in life. They focus on what's missing in their life. They focus on what's not working in their life. And no matter what happens, they are never happy about it. Now think about another person, someone who appreciates life, someone who sees possibilities in life, someone who appreciates opportunities, someone who genuinely values what they already have in life and feel excitement about the future. Now ask yourself, which one of those two people would you rather do business with? The first one, the negative one, or the other one, who is positive toward life? Which person would you rather help? Which person naturally attracts others to their life? You know, I think that the answer is obvious and the answer is given. Don't you agree? And here's the thing, that you know, the gratitude changes the way you see the world. But even more important is that it changes the way the world responds to you. People around you responds to you. It's this example that I give you a while before is very good, that illustrated the best way, I think so. Because you know, when you focus on lack, when you focus on limitation, you become automatically, emotionally connected with limitation, with lack, with scarcity. And you place your focus there. And your point of attraction is not in scarcity. You attract likewise circumstances, likewise people, everything what is on the same frequency. When you focus on abundance, it's just the choice you make. There's nothing difficult about it. When you focus on abundance, You become emotionally connected with abundance, with the good life, with good people, with opportunities. And what happens, it's that RAS, which is your rectangular activating system in your brain, will adjust your five senses to find confirmation to the state of your inner being, which means you will automatically place your attention on opportunities on the positive side of life. You will automatically connect with people who can help you achieve what you want, and you will help them. You will create, uh, good results in life. By the way, it's not like this fantastic author of this book, Napoleon Hill, once said, it's Think and Grow Rich. He said that to live an abundant life, to become rich on any area of life, whatever it means for you, it's, not only money, but many other areas of life, but they are connected with each other. It's that it does not take more effort to live a good life, to become rich, and to live in scarcity and struggling all the time. Just one decision. So, when you adjust yourself opportunities with the positive side of life, you're feeling gratitude for what you already have. And what's very important is the higher school. Feel gratitude about, about the vision of your life you want to obtain. Live already this vision. Live from the point of view. You're viewing the world around you for visually fulfilled, and you instead to feel anxiety that you do not for what you do not have yet. So you feel appreciating and gratitude for what you already have. It will automatically adjust your mind to search for evidences and to find opportunities, people, everything was coherent with your nominal vibration, is the nominal state of your being, which is gratitude for what you already have in your vision from the very beginning. So I can give you a very good example how the areas functions, the reticular activating system. Think about two people that are arriving to a certain room. The room, the space is like this. One of them can see everything was negative. Obstacles, bad conditions, maybe something what disturbing him. The other will see opportunities. Will enjoy the conversation with some positive person. Will see maybe something that will encourage him to do what he wants to do, or trick some ideas in his mind. As you know, it's not about the room. It's about the perception. Perception is adjusted by the attitude you choose. So, Wallace wrote that gratitude keeps us connected to the source of supply. Connected to the source of supply, to the, Joe Dispenza says, to the field of infinity of possibilities. Today we might use a different language. This book is written 100 years ago, but it's still actual because people are think the same way. So we have different terms. We can call it like creative energy, infinite intelligence. We can call it God, but it's always about the same thing. When you are grateful, you acknowledge that life is working for you, and it will become self-fulfilling, positive self-fulfilling prophecy. When you are negative, you acknowledge that life is working against you. The world is working against you. You must struggle, you must fight the everyday life, and it will be self-fulfilling prophecy. But however, the moment you internalize the gratitude, the positive expectation of your life, on your life. You stop fighting life and you start to cooperating. What doesn't happen. It's absolutely doesn't happen yet. It will never happen because it's not expected. It's absolutely wrong question. The better question is how can things improve if I never change my emotional state? Exactly. They cannot improve. So first you must change your emotional state and then life will unfold the way that is coherent to the new state. You know, gratitude is, many people think that gratitude is uh, pretending that life is not how it is. It's denying the circumstances. But I remember my mentor told me it's not denying the circumstances. It's gratitude is choosing where you place your attention, when you place your focus. You cannot change the circumstances. You can choose where you place your focus, and your circumstance will unfold the way they coherent with your dominant feeling. I can tell you an example. Imagine that you are standing in the garden, and garden, you always in garden, you can every garden you can find beautiful flowers in the weeds, and your attitude, the energy you're sending out, is the water in the canyon, and you can choose to water the weeds, or you can choose to water the flowers. It's the same job, two different results. When you water weeds, the weeds will grow. You water flowers, flowers will grow. The same way in everyday life when we talk about how you spend your energy. Where energy goes, it grows. And energy goes when you focus goes. So put your focus on the good life. Put your attention on the good life. Dream, visualize the best version, the best scenario of the life you will live. Be grateful for it in advance. Experience exercise this state in 60 days, whole summer. You will see what will happen in autumn. It will happen much more earlier, but significant changes in your life. About 60 days. You will start to make decisions another way. You will start to attract opportunities. You will start to act on them. That today you may be saying, it's nothing for me. Everything starts with your inner being, with the emotional state that dominates your mind. Because the emotional state that dominates your mind is the frame for how you use your intellectual mind. You know, if you enjoyed this lesson today, stay with us, go to the link and sign for my team's weekly letter with good ideas, positive influences that will drop into your mailbox once a week. Because you know, these ideas that you allow enter into your mind will shape the decision you make and will shape the life you experience with a short period of time. Join us, stay with us, and continue our journey toward the life you truly deserve. Thank you very much for spending a few minutes with me, and I see you 1 week from today, next Sunday. Have a beautiful week. Thank you.